Hi Chad, this is Heidi over at Taylor & Son Chevrolet in Ponderay. This is the 2009 GMC Yukon that you had questions about. I'm going to go around the exterior and the interior of the vehicle and show you condition. Starting with the driver's side, the front fender is in really nice shape, same with the doors. Few scratches here and there. There's one scratch right here above the door handle. It does look like maybe it got filled. Not really noticeable. I don't know if you can see that in there. I did notice that this molding here just needs to be put back on there. It is there is a gap there, but that's a pretty common issue with these moldings. Passenger door is good. Coming along the back, no scratches or dents on that back portion there. Along the back here, looks pretty good. No scratches, no dents. Looks like this got popped. The bumper's in good shape. Really, there's not even any loading scratches on that, which is nice. A few little, nothing big. A few little scuffs here and there on the bumper. One little scuff there. Coming along the passenger side, back panel's good. Passenger door is good, and passenger front is good as well. Front fender is good. Tiny little scuff there. Front bumper, there is a scuff there. But overall it looks pretty good. You can hardly tell from a distance. You really got to be looking for them. There's a scratch there. Luckily this color is neutral, so it is tough to see any of this little stuff. Hood's in good shape. One small little indent there. I don't know if you can see that with the glare. Windshield is in good shape. It's a little dirty. Apologize for that. But no cracks or chips or anything like that. Tires are in excellent condition. There's tons of tread left, both on the front and rears. The wheels, I think, are aftermarket. Have just a little bit of corrosion. That's one thing with northern Idaho. That rock salt they put on the roads. It is tough to get away from that, but they're in good shape. I mean, it's not like it's not gonna affect it. The appearance little bit, but otherwise, all in all, it's fine. Interior is in good shape. The seats don't have any holes or tears in them. Passenger seat as well is in good shape. One thing I did notice is the radio here. It does have some wear on the buttons. It's a pretty common find in these older modeled Tahoes, Yukons, Suburbans. Steering wheel's in good shape, no big chunks out of it or anything like that. Dash as well is in good shape. Back seat, no tears, rips, anything like that. The second row bench. Carpeting is in really good shape, no stains or funny smells. The back seat here is very nice. They probably didn't use it much. Hardly looks like anybody even sat back there. Come back to the rear. The liftgate works, which is good. Carpeting is all clean back here. all in all, it's a pretty nice vehicle. It does have a roof rack up there, the cross rails, so that is a nice bonus as well. If you have any questions, Chad, give us a call here at the dealership, 208-263-2138. Thanks.